What up, gangsters? It's your boy Wesley with Happy Stonks here. Today we're going to go over how to set up vertical spreads in the Thinkorswim mobile app. Today we're going to be doing this on an iPhone, but the process is going to be the same for an Android. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Let's open up the Thinkorswim app. Once you're inside the app, go ahead and choose whatever stock you're looking to buy. In this case, let's go ahead and use Apple. From within the stock, you can then click on this Options tab here. And if you've never done this before, you should see spread type listed as single. What you're going to want to do is click on this option here, which will now pull up a variety of different strategies that can be utilized. So in this case, what we're going to do is click on vertical. And now if we scroll down to, let's check out maybe this May 21st expiration here, and we'll go ahead and click on this one. You'll now see that it has set up the vertical spread to buy 130 strike price with an expiration of May 21st, and to sell with a 135 strike price also on May 21st. So there you have it. Super straightforward. You've now set up vertical spreads. Again, if you'd like to go back and change things, you can scroll right back to the primary screen. Go ahead and click on spread. Click single. And now, if we were to go to that exact same spread here, you'll see that it's just got the call there. So thank you again for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to do so. We post tutorials, technical analysis, tons of strategies, and just reaction videos, pretty much anything you'd like to see. If there's a particular video you would like for us to make, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely make sure to get to that. But other than that, thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Peace.